Heavy vehicle operators across the UK are under mounting pressure to maximize uptime, stay compliant with tightening regulations, and maintain the highest standards of passenger safety. Totalkare announced a major equipment upgrade delivered to green metro coaches, marking a significant step forward in operational capability. Green Metro Coaches, which runs nearly 300 vehicles, has invested in a comprehensive suite of Totalkare workshop solutions, including the G9DC mobile column lifts. The wireless G9DC mobile column lifts, capable of lifting 8,000 kilograms per column, is hot galvanized with sealed bearings to provide long-term protection from water ingress, making the lift ideal for outside use. Totalkare'S G9DC mobile column lifts require no installation or ground preparation work before use and can also be used indoors, a complete lifting solution. Learn more at totalkare.co.uk.